Yeah. That. Basic one. And quick, quick, go back. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick and quick, all the way back. Quick and quick. So try to keep this as stable as you can. Quick and slow. Quick and slow. Now turn to me. We're gonna do hip twist. Yeah, come a little bit forward for the camera. Right. Go step. And now try to hip twist, but without dropping this structure on top. Here, turn. Hip twist, but keep it there. Yeah, keep it there. Because you very strongly tilted your head. That's what you have to train. Like you like, you'll see later on video. It was like, it takes a lot of training to understand your vertical line. Yeah, turn this leg as much as now. Hip twist, keep the vertical line. Right. There is no other way to feel it. Yes, especially when you turn from this leg.
Yeah.
So see, now it's
Yeah,
better.
the other side is better.
Right. You're doing very good. Very good. And move. And walk. And walk. Now you have to feel tummy in, thigh rotating all the way around, rib cage forward, spine up. And there is a little bit lift of the rib cage overall, but the spine go up to this cup right here. Right. Quick and quick. Because you're moving your head. You're not supposed to move your head. Try again. Don't move your head. Yeah. And moving your head. And yeah. Turn slowly. Yeah. Yeah. Excellent. Walk and walk. Yeah. Yeah. Absorption. Now, your next goal to go through whole routine and try to keep this cup on your head. We're gonna do it slowly. You don't have to go fast. Just keep it. Yes. Now start hip forward. Right. You're going back. Cheek. Keep this here. Don't try to turn fast. Turn slowly, but within control. Right. Going quick. You're doing good. Now here, you see already a little bit turbulence there. Slow, pivoting, and going back. Quick. Yes, very good. Quick now, 90-degree twist. Slow. Excellent. Try to keep it there. And quick, and slow. Yeah, control of the posture of the beautiful vertical line. Doing much better. And hip twist. Yes, very good. Stretch your line. Now, gently turn without losing the cat. Very good. Very good. Here. And slow. Overturn twist. Excellent. Yeah, you're halfway there already. Doing very good. Walk. Walk. Yes, very good. Now, do your leg action here. Design without disturbing your vertical line. Excellent. The whole routine. Yes. Keep that cap on it. Very good. Swivels internal. Yes. Okay, one more. Reverse spiral. Right. Keep walking. Beautiful. Doing very good. Reach. Keep the head. And now gently overturn. Right. Control. Doing good. Quick and quick. Slow here. Quick and slow. Quick, slow, and quick, slow. Quick, and slow. Keep it there. Very good spiral. Keep that control. Quick, and slow. Now spin. Take it out for a second. No, here, keep it. Go. And quick and slow, and quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, hip, hip, walk, walk, and walk. Excellent. You did the whole routine and you kept it. Very good. Boom. Magic. Okay. So now you're gonna now dance without it, without the cap, but feel like it's still there. And slow. Quick, quick, and slow. Feel like the cap is still there. It's still there. Control. Quick, quick, slow. And a quick, slow. Keep the control here. Slow. And a quick, quick, slow. Yeah, feel like this cap is still there. Right. And slow. Slow, quick, and quick, and slow. Excellent. Let's try his music. That's good. Wow. It'll be a good video.